Hi guys, in this section we'll discuss how to join the table using dictionaries. So in our products.py controller we written one more method called admin underscore view1, and this is the way we define the dictionary in Python. Okay, now what we are doing, we are selecting all the rows from auth user table with this query and storing in user row. Now we're going one by one and storing. So dictionary is nothing but a key value pair. So we making our user ID as a key and just appending first name and last name and putting as a value. So that way we have defined our dictionary. Now in this SQL, what we discussed execute SQL last time, what we are doing, we are adding one more column like this 5 column we are retrieving from product and order table with inner join. Okay, so retrieving record product ID, product name, order price, order date, and orderer ID means customer, and executing and returning the local. So here we are returning two local variables, one is rows and one is user dictionary. Okay, now we'll define a view and display the record. So we are defining this with admin view1. Okay, so we define the table. So we are going through all the rows. So we are retrieving and putting in a table format. So this is our product ID, product name, order date, order amount, and what we are doing, the fifth row is returning our order customer ID. So we are searching in dictionary. So dictionary we have key and value pair. So key is nothing but customer ID, and value is nothing but the customer name, first name, last name, what we are dependent. So we are passing one value and it in dictionary and is returning the value. So now try it, how it look like. Open a new tab. See, now we are getting product ID, product name, bill amount, order date, and these are user are present in our auth user table. So we map with that. So that way we can join the table using inner join plus dictionary. Thank you.